Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you my cable management. I'm going to give you guys some tips on how to get some very good cable management. So, first thing I'm going to show you is the power cable to the CPU fan. And what I did is I just wrapped it around the whole fan. I basically just wrapped it around the fan and plugged it into the motherboard. And then the 4-pin power pin for your motherboard, I took my power supply out and I put it back here because there's a hole back there, which I'll show you. And I just wrapped it around here, down into here, and then that's how it comes out over here, straight into my motherboard. And then I took my 24-pin power connector here, and it goes straight into the motherboard, which would be right here, the power slot. And it comes around just like this, and I have it connected here with zip ties, and then it comes up here, back into the power supply. And I'm holding all this stuff here with double-sided tape and some zip ties to keep it all organized, keep it flush, so that the whole case, the whole side panel, can just slide right back on. And I have this Molex here, so that once I get my 9500 GT, I can just slide it in there and then plug it in. And for all the front panel connectors, like the USB and the audio and the headphones, yeah, and the power button, the reset button, I have it coming down here, up here, and in here. I also have it in here, coming from here, for my LED in front panel. So this is for my USB. This is for my LEDs and my power for the front. And so it just slides right across the back, goes straight in there. As you can see, I have no cables on the bottom of my case. So this also keeps up. You have good airflow. I wrapped my SATA cable around a pencil, and it really when it's wrapped around in a pencil, it just stays to your motherboard, and it goes up here. And I have this loose Molex here for my fan on the side of my case, my 10-inch fan. So I just plugged in my fan, and I put the side panel back on, and I'm gonna turn it on for you. I just didn't want you guys to think that I just had the cable hanging there for no reason. So it's on and everything, looks pretty nice. So this is basically what you're aiming at here for cable management. Good airflow, or if you have a clear case, like you can't see through my fan when it's on. So if you have a clear case, you're gonna want to do some cable management just for the eye candy. But if you have a clear case, or if you have a solid case or a case with a big fan that you can't see through, you're basically aiming for airflow and keep your components cooled. I'm going to add an extra fan to the back there, add one down there, so I can get good airflow over all my parts. Yeah, and I also wanted to show you guys that Molex connector right here that I was talking about. Right here, just once I get my 9500, just plug it in right there. Yeah, so, but thanks for watching, and subscribe and comment and rate, and check out our other videos, and go to our blog at www.custombuilds.blogspot.com, and I'll see you guys later.